All right, so hi, I came home like yesterday and went into my garage and thought, hey, I have this new drill press. So I thought, hey, just, haven't tried it really. So I took some parts and just started to freakishly drill holes in them. Yeah. And then I realized after I did that, with no pattern at all, anyways, after I did that, that I had, parts of every piece. Like I had spacers, I had a Balisong blade, and I had handles. And I was like, let's put them together. And don't judge it too much, but here is the piece, and here's it closed. So I only had one send pin. That's why it looks like this. I drill holes, but it didn't have a send pin, so it didn't matter. This is not a live blade. This is a trainer. This is not a sharp blade at all. It is quite dull, actually, and the tip is also dulled down. It's only like this to have the appearance of a live blade, but it is, in fact, a trainer. Or a fake live blade. But yeah, this flips actually, except for right there, this flips hella good. It is one of actually my favorite flippers in the collection, which is super weird, since this looks like a piece of shit. It looks, damn it, it looks like a true piece of shit. It's not really even, I didn't even try. I took pieces that were scrapped together. It's super lightweight aluminium, super shitty aluminium, and then all the weight's down here and all the weight up here. But it is a neutral to blade bias, and I have actually learned that I like blade bias. I like to have a really long, large blade, or at least a slim, long blade, and slender, long handles. And for some reason, with my weight distribution, even though it's blade bias is doing really good at specifically rollovers and fans and whatnot. Fans is just a breeze, except for where it's no send pin. If we can get a fan going, yeah, it's a breeze fanning. So yeah, this is just a short little teaser. I'm home, I'm at the garage, and I'm gonna start building the Bally that I have talked about for a while, and I'm gonna start filming for the DIY Balisong. And I have gotten some of the material. I haven't gotten in the titanium, but I have gotten the, wait a minute, thumbnail time. I'm just gonna let you guys be with me for the thumbnail. So this is the thumbnail, or this could be the thumbnail. It looks so much better. Yeah, thumbnail. So I actually got the Damascus for my blade, since I decided to go with Damascus. Right now it doesn't look like anything special, because I haven't etched it yet. I'm going to first etch it in ferric chloride, or whatever it's called, and you can see it kind of there. If you tilt it, yeah, you tilt. And then I'm going to do a coffee etch. It's gonna be dope. But yeah, it's kind of a thing that you have to have perfect lighting to see it that well. You do see it, but it's very faint, and you see it when light shines on it, and specifically when shadow is casted upon it. Maybe we can get some good lighting here. Yeah. Like when shadow is casted upon it, you can really see the Damascus. My heart sank when I tried to sand it, here, when the Damascus, just disappeared, because I didn't really know that it would do that. And then I googled some more and found out that, of course, Damascus does disappear if you grind it, but you can just etch it back. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. So I'm just waiting on my titanium and my pieces from USA Knife Maker, and then I'm set, and I'm going to start producing one of 3 knives. I haven't decided yet. Either I'm going to produce the Starlight V2, the Space Rock, or the Meteor. Those names doesn't mean anything to you guys as of yet, but if you follow my new Instagram, they might do in a while. That's where I'm going to be posting progress pictures and things like that. And my Instagram is Cosmic Balisong. It was supposed to be Cosmic Balisongs, but that was taken, so Cosmic Balisong it is. It's just a little alter account that I have with my logo. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye. We haven't done a yeet in a while, so yeet!